the baculoviruses, because they are also act as the expression vector. So baculovirus, these are, you can say, the insect virus which primarily infect or whose primary hosts are caterpillar. Their characteristics are like these viruses are rod shaped, generally 30 to 60 nanometer in diameter and 250 to 300 nanometer in length. They contain double-stranded DNA and their DNA is circular supercoiled, and the genome size is generally ranges from 80 to 180 kilobase pair. Next is the baculovirus vectors. So as I told, baculovirus are the rod-shaped and double-stranded genome insect virus which can be used for the expression of animal protein into insect cell. Means which, when we want to make our protein into insect cells, in that case we can use baculovirus vectors. Means we can convert this baculovirus into vector and that can be used for the expression of our genes. So generally it contains a viral promoter. So due to this promoter, our gene of interest get expressed and we have to perform the insect cell culture. So in the insect cell culture, this baculovirus, it can be used for the expression of gene, and it is generally used for the large scale production of protein, because the insect cells, they can produce many post-translation modification of animal proteins in which expression vector, in which bacterial expression system cannot. Means some protein, they require post-translational modification, means some modification after the protein synthesis are there. So in case of insect cells, these modification can be done, but in case of bacterial cells, these modification generally cannot be performed. So that's why this expression vector, means the insect culture, have advantage over the bacterial cell, because the post-translation modification can be done inside the insect cells.